Hello and welcome to Sig Mechanics. This shortcuts video will show you all the methods known to remove the FCU from the slide if you ever forget to install the takedown lever during reassembly. The main premise here is that without the takedown lever, the sear stays up, therefore blocking the striker from moving past it while you're trying to remove the slide. So you want to somehow get the sear to drop and release the striker. In all of these methods, if you have the FCU sitting inside the grip, you need to pull up on the slide while firmly holding down the grip so as to lift the FCU and slide up and away from the grip module. Once your assembly looks like this, you can use any of these methods. The absolute easiest method has no tools. Use your thumb to push the FCU towards the rear of the slide. This compresses the striker spring, and in doing this, you will line up the disconnector to the slide's cutout, therefore dropping the trigger bar behind the sear. At this point, pull the trigger, the striker will release, and you can now remove the FCU from the slide. The second easiest method is to use a flat tip tool and wedge it behind the sear and in front of the trigger bar's leg. Then you can use the leverage from the sear housing to force the sear forward with your tool. The striker will release, and now you can push the FCU out with your thumb. Equally as easy is the third method. Use a fine tip tool and place it in the gap between the slide and the FCU. Push down on the sear and the striker will release, and now you can push the FCU out with your thumb. The last method is a little more involved. First, test to see if the slide will move forward. If not, the recoil spring is sitting on the barrel underlug. You need to firmly hold the recoil spring, pull it forward, then pull it down, so it sits on top of the slide catch lever. Now you can rack the slide and lock it back. Take a plastic non-marring tool and push down on the extractor spring guide. Then with your thumb, slide the slide cap off. You can now extract the striker assembly and gently release the slide lock. Guide the FCU to the back of the slide, and since there's no striker, you can simply remove the FCU from the slide. If you want to know more about the P320 and understand the mechanics of this shortcuts video, click on the card at the top corner of the screen to see the full-length video 4 ways to fix a forgotten takedown lever.